How to subscribe to Lalal.ai premium plan. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Once the site loads, log into your Lalal.ai account if you haven't already. Now, look at the top right corner of the home page. Hover over the timer or user icon to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down, click on the upgrade option. This will take you to the premium plans page. Here, you will see different subscription options like annual and monthly. Review the features of each plan carefully and choose the one that fits your needs. After choosing your plan, click on the subscribe button below the desired plan. You will be redirected to the checkout page where you can enter your payment details and complete the purchase. Once your payment is successful, your account will be upgraded to the premium plan, giving you access to more features, fast processing, and larger file uploads. And that's it. Now you know how to subscribe to Lalal.ai premium plan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.